Welcome to today's adventure. We're headed out to the beach for a little bit. And what are we going to do at the beach?
Play.
We're going to play, we're going to look for shells, look for some rocks. So that's
find a lot of things.
And find a lot of things. So we're headed to the beach. Why don't you join us? I think we got a good spot.
Daddy.
Had a lot of fun. We went swimming and played around. Alright, on to the next adventure. Alright, Corbin, how was the beach?
Good.
Good. What did we find at the beach?
You show him.
Oh, you show him. Look at that. We found that at the beach. Big old beer bottle. Today we're at a dog show. We're checking it out, looking at all the doggies. Addie loves doggies. Hi, yes. We're gonna check it out and see what we can find. All the different kinds of dogs, right?
Right?
Yeah, hi.
We're going to the dog show.
Dog show, that's right. I've never been, so it'll be fun.
Either.
Yep, it'll be fun. What are you doing?
Watching the dog
Corbin, what was that? Look at me.
show.
Dog show. Are you having fun, Addie? Yeah, doggies. Do you see doggies? Hi. Oh, yeah, doggies. Doggies that way. Yes, that way. Addie, are you having fun? Yeah, she's having a lot of fun at the dog show. She loves dogs so much. Yeah. Are you having fun too, Corbin?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, there goes another one.
I found another horse.
Yeah, you did. What do you think of these doggies? They're all dressed up, all fancy. Some people take it very serious. The dog show. I don't know what they were doing there, but I don't know how they judged that one, but that was a very interesting show. What'd you think of the dog show that we were just at? What do you think?
Cool.
Cool. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was very fun. Addie loved it. Got to see some big dogs, some fun time. And now we're headed out. On to the next thing.